Good evening, everyone. A very warm welcome you all. You are watching the Paperist and I am Garima. Sanjay Pandey appointed as a new Mumbai Police Commissioner. Hemant Nagrale transferred. Maharashtra government on Mumbai appointed former acting DGP Sanjay Pandey as the new Mumbai Commissioner of Police. Earlier, a 1986 batch IPS officer Sanjay served as the Director General of Police (DGP) post as an additional charge since April 9, 2021. He was replaced by IPS officer Rajneesh Seth on February 18, 2022. New route through Moldova made operational. 8,000 Indians left Ukraine since adversary issue MEA. And Russian invasion in Ukraine entered its fifth day today. The Ministry of External Affairs MEA on Monday said situation on the ground continues to remain complex and fluid. In a press briefing, MEA spokesperson Ardim Bagchi said that a new route through a bordering country of Moldova has been made operational and terms have been deployed to assist Indians. Russia-Ukraine crisis. Russia bans residents from transferring money abroad. As the Russian invasion in Ukraine entered its fifth day on Monday, Russia has banned all its residents from transferring money abroad, as news agency AFP quoted Kremlin. Apart from this, in a retaliatory move, Russia has closed its airspace for 36 countries, including Germany, Spain, Italy, and Canada. This move by Russia comes after several Western nations had shut their skies for Russian-controlled or owned aircraft. Lady Gaga speaks out on the Russia-Ukraine crisis at SAG Awards 2022. Actor-singer Lady Gaga recently addressed by ongoing Russia-Ukraine crisis, expressing support for the victims. The House of Gucci star spoke about the ongoing crisis on red carpet of the SAG Award 2022. Gaga looked exactly like the fashion royalty that she is when she arrived on the red carpet in a stunning white Armani gown with sequin detailing on the bust area. Australian cricketer's wife receives death threat for husband ahead of Australia's tour of Pakistan, reports. The Australian cricketer team is all set to play 3 tests, a one of T20 International and 3 ODIs during their upcoming tour of Pakistan. Notably, Aussies will take part in an international assignment of Pakistani soil for the first time in 24 years. Amid security concerns, Pakistan Cricket Board PCB has accused Australia for high-level security. However, in the meantime, shocking news has come out of Australian team spinner Ashton Agar wives has been threatened that the cricketer should not come to Pakistan. India vs Sri Lanka. Virat Kohli signs autograph for young fans ahead of his 100th test at Mohali. It is not a hidden fact that whenever the Indian cricket team goes, its fans follow. Due to threat of the derided coronavirus infection, players these days live in bio bubbles and are hesitant to meet or greet fans. However, ex-Indian captain made a rare exception as he took some time out to sign autograph for a few lucky fans. After wrapping up the net practice as IS Bindra PCA Stadium in Mohali, the Tribute reported. Team India will be hosting Sri Lanka for 2 matches, Test series. Starting from March 4 at Mohali, India vs Sri Lanka in first test will be Virat Kohli's 100th test match. Ukrainian Hulk. Man pushes Russian tank with bare hands, forcing it to stop. A Ukrainian man single-handedly forced a Russian tank to stop and then knelt in front of it to keep the tank from moving any further, while other civilians rushed towards him to help him in the streets of northern Ukraine's Bakhmut. The viral video was shared by the Ministry of Foreign Affairs today with the caption, Ukrainian help stop Russian tank with bare hands. In the video, the man could be seen being pushed backward on the street by a massive Russian tank on which he hands his own. Yet, he continues push with his bare hands against the front of moving vehicle with the force of body weight until it slows to stop. Mama, this is so hard. Russian soldier message to mother before being killed. A Russian soldier sent a message to his mother expressing fear from Ukraine. He texted his mother saying they will be bombing all the cities and even targeting civilians. Ukrainian United Nations Ambassador Sergei has read out the message between a fallen Russian soldier and his mother in front of UN General Assembly on Monday. Focuses on propaganda and photo OPS. Opposition target center over Operation Ganga. As the crisis in Ukraine continues, the woes of Indian students stuck in East European country do not seem to diminish. Despite the actions being taken by the government of India under Operation Ganga to evacuate Indian students, there are still many students who have not been able to come back to India yet. Meanwhile, the operation is attacking the government for not taking effective steps to evacuate Indian students safely from Ukraine. Focuses on propaganda and photo OPS. Opposition target center over Operation Ganga. As the crisis in Ukraine continues, the woes of Indian students stuck in East European country do not seem to diminish. Despite the actions being taken by the government of India under Operation Ganga to evacuate Indian students, there are still many students who have not been able to come back to India yet. Meanwhile, the operation is attacking the government for not taking effective steps to evacuate Indian students safely from Ukraine. Sonu Sood commences shooting of MTV Roadies. Here's the first look. With the reality program MTV Roadies, Bollywood actor Sonu Sood, who became a sort of messiah for millions of Indians during the COVID outbreak, has begun his shooting. The actor is presently in South Africa, where he will be filming for the reality show. The 48-year-old expressed his delight to being offered a new host. He expressed his excitement at the prospect of starting the filming, stating that he had been a long-time fan of reality show. This is for today. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel, The Paperist.